Hello students, how are you? This is my video for class 12th IP. Topic is Python Panda and subtopic is CSV file in your Python. Actually this is the special we can say type of file. You have learn file, date, Word, Excel, PowerPoint and other files. Now in addition of different type of file, this is the another way that with the help of you can store files, that is the CSV files. So what are the CSV file and how you can deal with the CSV file, we will learn in this PPT and video. So let us start. Actually you know that data in Panda we can deal data with the two functions. First is read CSV and read tables. So these are the data that are stored in text file formats. You know, a different type of data we are storing in generally in text files. So you can handle such situation. So situation is to handle with the help of read CSV. So where it is the CSV, so that we can handle this data with the help of CSV files. Now what is CSV file? CSV file, it is a comma separated value file, is a type of plain text. That is also plain text file. These values are separated by comma. This file can be viewed like as Excel file. Actually this is the similar as Excel file. I will show you that uses specific structuring to arrange tabular data. That will show you in a data in the table form. We know that data stored in Excel in the form of table, that means row and column. So that will also store data specific structure to arrange a tabular data. Because it is a plain text file, it can contain only actual text data. So they are printable ASCII or Unicode characters. That means they can be print also, but the structure is something different, different from Excel file. The structure of CSV file is given away by its name. Okay, so you can save this and with the help of .csv separate extension. Normally CSV file use a comma to separate each specific data value. This is important thing, to separate each specific value. So all thing is in summary format, we can say it is a comma separated value like a Excel file, and that can store data in tabular format. Okay, so this is the different type of files, and that can be deal with our plain text files. So this is the example of text file, CSV file. Here this is name, last name, mother name, and you are saying this is something different. Actually see, it is Excel, but data is different. So this type of data we can store also such type of data, that is called CSV file. And with the help of CSV file you can import and export also that data, and that data can be reduced, and you can handle such type of data easily. Okay, so you can easily handle CSV file in your Panda, because you know the Panda and data frames series are storing data in table format, and this is also a format of storing data in table format. This is row and this is the column. So this is also very useful for us. CSV advantage: it is a human readable and easy to edit manually. It is simple to implement and parts. CSV is proceeding by almost all existing application. Okay, CSV format is common for data interchange. Same format होगा. Provide a straight forwarding information schema. Faster to handle है. Small in size है. देखा आपने size पीछे आपने देखा तो छोटा हो गया था. Considered to be standard format. Okay, it is a compact. So this can be used in extensible markup languages also. CSV is easy to generate. Easy तो है ही, but different formats, human readable and easy to edit manually. Actually you can edit manually also. Okay, with the help of program you can also do, but manually you can also handle this CSV file. Okay. Now with indexing you can use this program, import pandas pd, data equal to this, data equal to name and age as in form of data column, row and columns. So this is the data. Okay, now df equal to pd dot data frame data. Now df dot to csv, that means my csv dot csv I am converting with the help of to csv function. So the file we are storing in this format, I want to convert in CSV format, and the file name is my csv dot csv. So if you will see the file, you will get my csv that is converted into CSV format. Okay, that is with the help of with indexing. And this is without indexing, same thing to CSV, my csv1 dot csv. Indexing here you can use true and false, 0 and 1. So that was in previous slide, that was in without index with indexing, and that is a without indexing. Okay, now this is the data format from text file. This is the file try.txt. This file can be stored easily, and you can also convert this file into in which format, that can be converted into CSV file. So this is the different ways that how we can handle panda datas, and that can be converted easily in different formats. So this is a read CSV method, use of read CSV method. Read CSV, I want to read, means I want to take data, that means reading data student.port.csv file. Okay, from head 10, this is the another function, head function, from top 100. Then this code will print first 10 rows, from starting 10 rows of student, that means from this CSV file, with the help of read function. Okay, this is easy, and you can write program. Export panda data file to CSV. You can also export, import and export. Export, that means you can upload your files also. So this is another example. Here this is the file stored in C drive, export data CSV. This is the file name. Okay, I am exporting this file, okay, to CSV file. Okay, then that after exporting that data, we can get export.dataframe.csv file name here changed. So you can try this, and also I am uploading this video in my blog, and you can easily download from that blog and can use. So that's all for CSV file, and this is the very important for all of you, and you can handle, I think, all concept of data file handling, in data in CSV files. So they are the important things that you can handle, and in next file we will come with another topic. So revise your topics, wait and watch. Okay, so thank you very much.